Yes, class. This is our first exercise of translation. We are doing present perfect continuous tense translation. So you are going to give the heading of translation. Then next heading, which translation we are doing? We are doing present perfect continuous translation. So you must give the heading and underline it. And let's see the sentences. First sentence is मैं गुज़िश्ता 2 सालों से इस दफ्तर में काम कर रहा हूँ. The see raha means it is continuous. With whom means it is present continuous, but time period is given गुज़िश्ता 2 सालों. That's why it is not simple continuous. It is perfect present perfect continuous. How you are going to change it? I have been working in this office for 2 years. Second one is क्या वो शाम से खाना पका रही है? It is question, so question mark must be there. And for question, you know that we put the helping verb, main helping verb at the beginning. So has she been cooking since evening? Question mark. Third one, वो 1 घंटे से दरवाजे पर दस्तक नहीं दे रहा है. There is negative sentence, so you will have to put not after the main helping verb. He has not been knocking at the door for 1 hour. The time period, time duration is here. That's why we instead of since we use for. Come to the next sentence. लड़कियां सुबह से जमात में शोर मचा रही हैं. है means present, rahi means continuous, and time period shows you perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. How you are going to change it? Girls have been making noise since morning. Point of time is given, not the duration. That's why since. उस्ताद 2 घंटे से पढ़ा रहा. Instead of this is not tha, this is है because it is present continuous. Teacher has been teaching for 2 hours. We have done these sentences in this way. Just see it. You can slow down the video and can take the screenshot, and easily you can copy down the sentences. These are all sentences for the present perfect continuous tense. Next we'll do past perfect continuous. So in the same way you will give the main heading of past perfect continuous tense, and you know that we are doing translation one by one. You will do the sentences. Use black pointer for Urdu sentence and blue for English sentences. So what will be the difference over here? Same, all the sentence will be the same with the time period and with rahe because it is continuous and perfect. Only helping verb will change. Instead of hai, hu, we will use tha, thi, te. Let's see the sentence. वो बुध की शाम से किताब छाप रहे थे. He had been printing the book since Wednesday evening. Or instead of he, because in Urdu for the respect we use a the, but in English there is no such things. So instead of he you can also use they. Okay, this can also be correct. They had been printing the book since Wednesday evening. क्या आधी रात से बारिश हो रही थी? Had it been raining since midnight? Question mark. Next is मैं कल से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रही थी. I had been waiting for you since yesterday. बच्चे 3 दिन से अपनी जमात सजा रहे थे. Children had been decorating their class for 3 days. Duration is given, that's why for we will use. मजदूर एक हफ्ते से अपना काम नहीं कर रहे थे. The laborers had not been doing their work for a week. This is all about the past perfect continuous. You can also write another sentence, not necessary same sentence will count. These sentence we are doing just to understand the tenses. You can do more sentence after these exercise, taking more sentences from your Par Grammar book for your own practice. So just have a look and do it properly. Next video we'll do the last one, that is future perfect continuous.